Are you looking to lose weight and improve your blood sugar and triglyceride levels? It's important to know that processed carbs and refined sugar can cause inflammation and increase fat production in your liver. Low-carb diets can facilitate rapid weight loss, suppress appetite, increase HDL cholesterol, reduce blood sugar and insulin levels, and lower blood pressure. The low-carb eating plans involve reducing the consumption of high-carb foods, such as grains and starchy vegetables, while prioritizing foods low in carbs, such as non-starchy vegetables and protein sources like fish. Finding low-carb, nutritious foods can be challenging. That's why we've rounded up a list of 15 healthy low-carb options to help you transition to a healthy diet with ease. These foods are rich in healthy fats, protein, and non-starchy vegetables, providing adequate nutrition while keeping carbs and sugars in check. Before we start, please note that all content in this video has been fact-checked and reviewed by certified nutrition and health experts to ensure that we provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date insights. And remember, if you're enjoying the valuable insights we're sharing, hit the subscribe button to receive more health-transforming content. Here are 15 healthy low-carb, low-sugar foods for weight loss, blood sugar balance, and more. Let's dive in. Number 1. Grass-fed beef and lamb. Grass-fed beef and lamb are zero-carb protein sources, perfect for low-carb diets. These meat products are rich in protein, B12, and iron, which are crucial for healthy red blood cell production and all-day energy. A 3-ounce serving of steak has 0 carbs and 23.8 grams of protein, making it a filling choice for people on low-carb diets. Meat from ruminant animals contains a type of fat called conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which provides protein and essential minerals such as iron and zinc. Studies suggest that CLA consumption can boost immunity and help prevent fat accumulation in the body. Boosting your immune system while shedding pounds? It sounds like a win-win. Number 2. Arugula. This delicious green, also known as rocket, is a nutrient-dense food high in fiber and phytochemicals. It is low in sugar, calories, carbohydrates, and fat, but high in several vital nutrients. A 100-gram serving of raw arugula contains 3 grams of carbs and 0.7 grams of sugar. This veggie is rich in vital nutrients like vitamin K for blood coagulation, potassium for heart and nerve function, vitamin C for boosting the immune system, and folate for DNA production. The pungent flavor of arugula is due to glucosinolates, which have potential health benefits, including liver detoxification and cancer prevention. If you're enjoying the list so far, just wait until you see what's next. It's a game changer. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a nutrient-rich vegetable. It is low in carbs and often used as a rice substitute. It is rich in folate, vitamin K, and C. A 100-gram serving of raw cauliflower contains 5 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of sugar. Cauliflower is packed with fiber, essential for nourishing the good bacteria in the gut, reducing inflammation, and promoting digestive health. Moreover, cauliflower is a rich source of choline, a nutrient many people lack. This nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of cell membranes, synthesizing DNA, and supporting metabolism. It also helps to prevent the attenuation of cholesterol in the liver. Cauliflower is also rich in glucosinolates and isothiocyanates, 2 antioxidants that can slow cancer cell growth. Number 4. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. A 100-gram serving of raw mushrooms contains 3.3 grams of carbohydrates and 0.5 grams of sugar. Mushrooms are a great source of critical nutrients, such as fiber, potassium, and selenium. Selenium is a mineral needed to create particular types of proteins called selenoproteins. These proteins protect cells from oxidative damage and are necessary for producing thyroid hormones. Additionally, mushrooms contain a compound called beta-glucans, which can boost the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. We're about to break down the most controversial pick on our list. Number 5. Cheese. Natural and unprocessed cheeses have fewer carbs. Aged and hard cheeses are low in carbs, but high in protein, healthy fats, and nutrients like calcium, making them an excellent option for low-carb diets. Here are some examples. Aged cheddar is virtually carb-free. Hard, aged Parmesan is very low in carbs. Swiss cheese has a shallow carb content. Fresh mozzarella cheese contains low levels of carbs. Goat cheese is another great low-carb option. Brie and Camembert soft cheeses are also low in carbs. Cheeses are a good source of fat-soluble vitamins A, E, D, and K2. These vitamins help absorb calcium, which is essential for strong bones, teeth, and even nails. Number 6. Collard greens. Collard greens are an excellent source of phytonutrients for low-carbohydrate diets. Their carbohydrates mainly consist of dietary fiber, which is not fully digested but helps maintain a healthy microbiome. 1 cup of cooked collard greens provides 5.59 grams of fiber, 7.5 grams of carbs, and 0.2 grams of sugar. Collards are one of the best sources of vitamin K1, promote bone health, and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Collard greens are also packed with vitamin A as beta-carotene, B vitamins, especially folate, and vitamin C. Vitamin C helps maintain healthy blood cells, while vitamin A is crucial for T cells responsible for attacking invading bacteria and viruses. Number 7. Fish. All fresh seafood is low in carbs but high in protein, making fish an excellent choice for those on low-carb diets. Fish, particularly fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and trout, contain high levels of essential fatty acids, including omega-3 fats, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA. These fatty acids are essential to regulate inflammation and repair any harm caused by excessive sugar consumption. For optimal health benefits, it is crucial to avoid farmed fish as they are treated with antibiotics and synthetic food coloring, resulting in lower nutrient levels. Stick to wild-caught fish instead. Liking our video so far? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you can experience our new informative videos. Number 8. Lettuce. Lettuce is a leafy green vegetable in the Asteraceae family, known for its low calorie, fat, and sugar content, making it helpful for weight loss. Raw lettuce is rich in dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestion. A 100-gram serving contains 2.97 grams of carbohydrates and 0.5 grams of sugar. Most lettuce varieties are rich in vitamin K, essential for strong bones, and folate, vital for memory function. Lettuce has antioxidant properties due to carotenoids such as lutein and beta-carotene. Beta-carotene helps improve vision and boost the immune system by converting it into vitamin A. Additionally, lutein found in lettuce can help protect the eyes from age-related issues like macular degeneration, which can lead to vision loss. Number 9. Eggs. Eggs are rich in protein and healthy fats, low in carbs, and a go-to when eating low-carb. 1 large egg contains 6.3 grams of protein, 5.3 grams of fat, and less than 1 gram of carbs. Eggs are rich in vitamins A, B12, and selenium. The most nutrient-dense part of eggs, egg yolks, contains every vitamin except vitamin C. A single egg contains over 100 mg of choline, a vital nutrient that helps build cell membranes and produces signaling molecules in the brain. Number 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is another low-carb vegetable known for making pee smell funny, but has an impressive nutrition profile. Asparagus contains nutrients, including vitamins A, C, E, K, and B6, folate, iron, potassium, copper, calcium, and protein. This cruciferous vegetable can help lose weight, prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, promote reproductive health, and boost mood. Green asparagus is rich in saponin protodiosin, which gives it its bitter taste. This compound can support ovarian health, enhance postmenopausal libido, and fight ovarian cancer cells. Additionally, it is a rich source of powerful antioxidants such as vitamin E, glutathione, and quercetin, which can help boost your body's natural antioxidant defenses. Our next pick is a fan favorite for a reason. Stick around to find out why. Number 11. Almond flour. High-carb baked goods like bread and cake are off-limits in a low-carb diet. However, you can make low-carb friendly baked goods using low-carb flour replacements like almond flour. Almond flour is a low glycemic index food. It has only 599 grams of carbohydrates per serving, significantly lower than all-purpose flour's 23.85 grams. Make low-carb baked goods by combining almond flour with eggs and monk fruit, a zero-calorie natural sweetener. Imagine indulging in your favorite baked goods without the guilt. Subscribe for more creative low-carb solutions. Number 12. Kale. Kale is a nutrient-dense superfood that is low in calories and high in beneficial fiber. Thus, it is an excellent addition to a low-carb and weight loss diet. Kale contains essential nutrients such as vitamin K and manganese. It is also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenols that combat inflammation, support heart health, slow down the growth of cancer cells, and protect against chronic diseases. Prepare to witness significant health enhancements, whether you relish kale as a lightly steamed side dish or blend it into a delicious smoothie. Number 13. Pecan. Pecans are an excellent low-carb, low-sugar snack choice, They contain only 1.1 grams of sugar and 3.9 grams of carbs per ounce, lower than most other nuts. Pecans are also a great source of soluble fiber, which is beneficial in regulating blood sugar levels. They are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, and healthy monounsaturated fat. These nutrients help to keep you full and satiated, which in turn can reduce cravings for unhealthy foods. Number 14. Zucchini. Zucchini, also known as courgette, is a type of summer squash popular among low-carb dieters and those looking to lose weight quickly. This is due to its low calorie, carb, and sugar content, and meager glycemic index score. A 100-gram serving of raw zucchini contains 3.11 grams of carbs and 2.2 grams of sugar. Other things to love about zucchini nutrition include its high water percentage, high fiber content, and high essential nutrients like vitamin B6, potassium, manganese, and antioxidants like vitamin C and A. Number 15. Brussels sprouts. While not the most popular vegetable, Brussels sprouts are highly nutritious. They're naturally low in carbs and high in fiber. A 100-gram serving of Brussels sprouts contains 5.5 grams of carbs and 2.2 grams of sugar. Brussels sprouts contain carotenoids and glucosinolates, sulfur-containing substances with potent antioxidant properties that can potentially safeguard your cells from oxidative harm and have anti-cancer properties. If you haven't previously enjoyed Brussels sprouts, try them roasted with olive oil, salt and pepper, or raw and thinly shaved in a salad. If you enjoy this video, show us love by hitting the like button. Today's exploration of low-carb and low-sugar foods highlights the importance of mindful food choices for our health and wellness, from grass-fed beef and lamb to nutrient-dense greens like arugula and kale. Each of these 15 foods offers unique benefits for weight loss, blood sugar balance, and overall health improvement. If you're curious about the anti-aging diet, check out our video on the top 15 anti-aging superfoods to stay young. And there you have it, folks. For more life-enhancing tips and dietary guides, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.